Do you have difficulty to changing the language on your Instagram? Don't worry, I will explain how to change the language on your Instagram in a short and easy way. So, make sure you watch this video until it's finished. The first step after you enter the Instagram, click on your profile photo in the lower right corner. The next step, click on the hamburger icon in the upper right corner. In this option, click on Settings. After you enter the Settings option, click on Account Settings. The next step, to change the language in the Instagram application, click on the Language settings. You can change the language using the various languages that have been provided. In this video tutorial, I will replace using Indonesian language. Okay, that's how to change the language in the Instagram application. If this tutorial solves your problem, don't forget to like and subscribe. Write in the comments column what tutorial you need right now.